In today's video, I'll show you how to add Spotify to Notion. So for this, at first what you have to do is just open up your Notion workspace. Then just aim to where you want to add the Spotify. Then just open up your Spotify app or whatever you have. Then just go to any of your playlist. Then just go to the three dot icon, which is the more options icon, and click on it. From here, you'll get an option to share. Just find the share option. It's right here at the bottom. Just click on copy link to the playlist and it will say link copied to the clipboard. After that, just minimize Spotify and come back to your Notion workspace. Now just type anywhere and type slash to type commands and type embed, which stands for embed. And you can upload anything or link anything over here. So just paste the link that you just copied from Spotify and click on embed link. Then just give it some time. It will load your Spotify playlist over here. If you want, you can resize it. It's completely responsive. Or if you want, you can scroll and see all the musics over here. If you want, you can play them from here as well. And basically, that is how to add Spotify to Notion. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.